Keywords are really important when you're writing. Um, and how I mean that is when you've got a book and you want to publish it, depending on where you're publishing it, it is a good idea before you publish to learn about what words people are using to search for that book or similar books. Okay, this may or may not influence how you write it, but it will definitely or should definitely influence your description of the book within the book listing and also help you to decide what words you want to use. Okay, so I'm in Amazon. Now, if you choose one of the Amazon marketplaces, probably the primary one you're going to sell to as the Amazon. Now I've chosen Amazon.ca here. I actually sell in multiple regions, but today I've decided to do a search here. I have deliberately not logged in. The reason why I've not logged in because if I log in, then I find it tends to manipulate or affect what I'm searching, whereas if I don't log in, it's more generic. So try it when you're logged in and try it when you're not logged in. Okay, and then all you do is you go up to the top here and you think about what book you're writing. Now, if it's fiction, nonfiction, whatever, you're going to key words. So let's say for a fiction book, fantasy, like my book series, I think I'm going to put a dream world. Oops, I could spell right, dream world. Now you can see that as I'm typing, multiple words are coming up. These ones are what it's anticipating that I am typing. And as I'm typing more and more words are showing up. This is looking throughout all of Amazon. So let's see what happens when I change it to, you can see there's Audible here, and I'm going to go to, oops, there it is, Kindle. Okay, so you can see it's now changed. So it's gotten rid of the other items. And then I can say, right, what if it's this? And if I'm writing a book on nonfiction, then I can take a look at the topic. So say I'm writing a book on diving. There we go. There. It's a dungeon diving. And if you then, once you choose a keyword, you can then press enter and see what it comes up at. Before I get to that, though, all of the, if I find an example like meeting usually has a few more. These ones are the frequently searched for. So as you're typing in, yeah, it will show you the frequent search terms. So you write down frequent search terms and then you can do research. And then when you press enter, it will search for that term. Okay, and as I said, it's really important to get a few of these keywords that you want to use to write your description for your book. Okay, because if you can use these terms that you know people are searching for, then that really helps. There are also ways on checking how often these are searched, but I'm not going to cover that in this video, so do tell me in the comments if you are interested in that. And if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, then do click on that thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to be part of a community of writers, then there'll be a link in the description of my new school community for writers, which is the Bit Writing Group. Take care and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.